Now at last, my folded hand request to all of you is that please stand by the nation. By standing by Sushant Singh Rajput's soul, we will stand by our government, our nation, our people against the external forces who are trying to divide our country to make East Pakistan out of Kashmir, which is our integral part of our country. It was a Hindu state. I don't use this word Hindu. We are Vedantic. We are ancient as far as religion is concerned. And Hari Singh was the Raja, the Maharaja of Kashmir. How they can turn it into a Muslim state? Tell me. Is it possible? These ferocious Kashmiris, anti-nationals, anti-Islamics, they have chased away all the Hindu, the original Kashmiris out of Kashmir in millions. They are lying here and there and everywhere in India. There is no place for them in Kashmir. Alright? It's a very serious situation, and Sushant Singh Rajput was made into a subject by the Almighty God to disclose the dangerous situation which is prevailing at this moment in our country. And our country, especially the Bollywood, is under the grip, hand in hand, with so-called farce, Islamic killing mafia, the fanatics, the vultures, the animals, the ferocious animals. In Kashmir, these Bollywood stars, all of them, including Amitabh Bachchan, Akshay Kumar, Shahid Kapoor. There are so many. I can't count their names. I'm not familiar with their names. Including Shah Rukh Khan, Saif Ali Khan, Amir Khan, and Salman Khan. Okay? They're not Khans, they're Khandans. They're Khandans of farcical Islamic killing mafia. They are generating the main bulk of money for these mafia, these darindes. इनके लिए, for them, they earn money, not in thousands and crores, in multi-crores. They go to foreign country without work permit. They don't show their income. They earn illegal money. They leave it in the foreign country. They don't disclose their earning in the illegal earning in foreign currency in foreign country, and they come back to India and win Padma Shri. All of them are Padma Shri. I think government has to be careful in distributing Padma Shris. They are all anti-nationals. They are all Deshdrohis. They are all criminals. They are all corrupt people. What for they have been given, Padma Shri? Padma Shri, is conferred for very high level of achievements. Not to win vote in the name of secularism, because it will earn them Muslim votes. The Muslim brothers and sisters are not all that stupid ones. They are very clever. They know who is what. And let me tell you, with this money earned by this mafia, Bollywood mafia, is spent for buying the sophisticated machine guns to kill our boys, our Jawans. And, mothers, sons are being killed, young sons. Small children's fathers are being killed. they are rendered orphans, and young wives, young girls are rendered widows. They go before the Rashtrapati, our president, with a sad face, totally forlorn face, a deserted face, to fetch Veer Chakra. Veer Chakra cannot bring somebody's son, a woman's son, father's son, a woman's husband, children's father, when they need them, small children, 2 years, 3 years, they need their father. At adult age, nobody needs father. Rather, people, avoid father and mother. It's good, or maybe it's bad, whatever it is. They're small children. One small boy lit his father's, chita, the pyre, and asked him, "Why did you put fire to my father?" And nobody could answer. I have seen a mother, young mother. So her son must be very young. Her body came into a coffin with full estate, honor. And the poor woman, what is she going with the estate honor? She lost her flesh and blood. And she was crying bitterly, holding the, coffin. I can't forget, such crying. Because I'm also a mother. And I have also got children. And I have brought up children single-handedly. They didn't have father to bring them up. And please stand together against the security of the nation, against these vultures, in the name of Islam. Don't tarnish this religion. Every religion is pure in its origin. And don't kill our sons and boys. And don't make our girls widows. Don't make our children orphans. I have brought 2 children like orphans. I know their pains. My children are grown up now, still they have not come up with the wounds. It's perpetual. I'm thanking you. मैं आज आपके सामने, मैं आपको नमस्कार करती हूँ, मैं आपको सैल्यूट करती हूँ, और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब हूँ और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हूँ। पहली बात कि ये जो बॉलीवुड का तमाशा सामने आया है और वो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के सैक्रिफाइस से आया है, और इतना बड़ा खुलासा आया है कि बॉलीवुड पूरा ये फार्सिकल इस्लामिक माफिया के ग्रिप में है. एंड ऑल दीज बिग विग्स, अक्षय कुमार, शाहरुख खान, शाहिद कपूर, सलमान खान, आमिर खान, who is left, this Saif Ali Khan, and all of them, they are actually, this Mahesh Bhatt, this Karan Johar, they are pawns of the killer mafia for killing our own people. This money is being spent to buy sophisticated weapons to supply to the terrorists, the killers, the vultures, the fake Islamics who want to hold power to make own state where they can shed blood at their own whims and fancy. And these machine guns are used against our young boys, our young children who are rendered orphaned, the young girls who are rendered widows, the young mothers who lose their young boys as Jawans fighting at the borders. And we are doing it by watching these Bollywood movies, because all of us want to see popping boobs, bare buttocks, moving vests, naked vests, and the these fake sex symbols. Shahrukh Khan, Salman Khan, all these Buddhas, black dye colored Buddhas, and the Saif Ali Khan, who not? And the money is being, it's a great security hazard for the whole nation. It's used for the crime against the humanity. I have seen young mother whose son was killed in Kashmir, with the militants. The dead body was given full state respect, kept in a coffin, and the mother was bitterly crying. She was not aware of what state respect, honor is giving or not giving. She is holding the coffin, putting her head on the coffin and bitterly crying. I don't forget that cry. I am a mother of a son. I am mother of a daughter. I've seen somebody's daughter being, widow, and is standing in front of, or sorry अगर मेरे से इंग्लिश निकल गया तो एक लड़की, यंग लड़की, एक सूनी सी सूरत, एक रेगिस्तान के सूखे ये की तरह प्रेसिडेंट के सामने खड़ी है अपने यंग हस्बैंड का ये जीता हुआ वीर चक्र लेने के लिए। मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ हाउ मच आई क्राइड। बच्चों के बारे में सोचो जिनके बाप को मार दिया जाता है। 2 साल के बच्चे, 1 साल के बच्चे, 3 साल के बच्चे, 4 साल के बच्चे, 6 साल के बच्चे, 10 साल। They need their father as their guardians. They love their father at this age. When they are adults, nobody, कोई किसी को पिता नहीं चाहिए, किसी को माता नहीं चाहिए। उनकी अपनी दुनिया होती है। छोटे छोटे बच्चों की दुनिया माँ होती है, बाप होती है। आप लोग ये बॉलीवुड का बायकॉट कीजिए। और ये लड़ाई है उस स्वतंत्रता संग्राम की तरह, जबकि सारे लोगों ने मिलके अंग्रेजी चीज़ों का बहिष्कार किया था, उनको जलाया था। करोड़ों करोड़ों की कीमत वाली चीज़ें जलाई गई थी। और ये आप चाइनीज़ चीज़ों को जलाना शुरू करिए, और ये बॉलीवुड की टिकटें को जलाना शुरू करिए, इनके बैनर्स को जलाना शुरू कीजिए, इनके एडवर्टीजमेंट्स को जलाना शुरू कीजिए, इनके इमेज को जलाना शुरू करिए, अपने दिमाग से मिटाना शुरू करिए। इस देश को बचाइए। इस देश में हर जगह माफिया है और हम जिम्मेवार हैं। इस हद तक कांग्रेस जिम्मेवार है। किस तरह जुडिशियरी की एक एक ईंट को हिला दिया, किस तरह लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, द पुलिस पूरी करप्ट हो गई है, पुलिस पूरी बिकी हुई है। महाराष्ट्र की पुलिस कोई एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी नहीं है। इट इज लाइक नॉर्मल पुलिस ऑफ द होल नेशन एवरीवेयर। मोमेंट क्राइम हैपन्स, पुलिस जंप्स ओवर टू क्रिमिनल साइड, क्योंकि खजाना तो उधर से ही मिलेगा। जो मर गया, जो रेप हो गया, वो तो खजाना देगा नहीं। तो आपसे हमारी विनती है, मैं आप लोगों को सैल्यूट करती हूँ, विनती करती हूँ, आप लोग से प्रार्थना करती हूँ, आप लोग को सलाम करती हूँ कि आप लोग एकजुट होकर के नेशन के लिए लड़िए और सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को ऑटोमेटिकली जस्टिस मिल जाएगा। थैंक यू।